Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic debuggers.com reviews. In this video you will get to know whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, before starting our today's topic, I would like to inform you all that this topic is very much trending in the United States and United Kingdom. Now let's begin by knowing what this site is offering to the customers. So it is a website which deals with all kinds of jigsaw puzzles and their products are available at huge discounts right now. Now let's talk about their payment policy. For that we need to click on any of their product. So friends, they accept PayPal. Now let's talk about their shipping policy. For that we need to click to their shipping policy section. So friends, they will ship your product within 10 to 20 days to your doorstep, and the processing time is 48 hours after you place your order. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints, but before proceeding further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make many more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So friends, firstly this site is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, if you want to know about the website age, friends, this site has been registered on 19th March 2020, which means it is just 1 year old website. Now if you want to know about their about us page, let's go to their about us section. So friends, here they have given their company details, like why to choose them, what is their motto, and every other detail. But it is not up to the mark because some part of it is plagiarized and they have not mentioned the company owner name. Now let's talk about their contact us section. So they have given their physical building address, that is Area C, third floor, number 125, Mingsu Road, High Tech Zone, Yuki City, Yunnan Province. Now if you want to know about their mail ID, it is aftersale of giantbtech.com, which is not similar to the domain name and hence it makes the website more fishy. Now friends, let's talk about the social media presence of the website. Friends, this site is present in Facebook, Twitter and Pinit. Now let's talk about the return and refund policy. For that we need to go to refund and return section. So friends, they have 30 days return and refund policy, but if you face any kind of money related issue, you can mention it in the comment box. Now talking about the customer reviews, friends, we do not find any single customer review, but there are some article based reviews where one person has mentioned it as a scam. Annie Mac has mentioned that scam, 5 emails to them later and the website is gone. This is the second time I was linked to a company through Facebook based on a picture of something I posted that ended up being a scam from China. And the article based reviews are also claimed this site as suspicious. Now talking about the website content quality, friends, it is not up to the mark because most part of the content is plagiarized. So friends, on the basis of the above discussion, it can be said that this site seems to be suspicious, and I would request all my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their time and money in those websites. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.